Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Flip7 and Fold7 in early July. One of the biggest questions surrounding the Flip 7 is which chipset it will use. And now, things just got more confusing. Earlier reports, including a benchmark listing from the US, suggested the Z Flip7 will be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 chipset globally. This would mark the first time Samsung uses an Exynos chip in a foldable phone. However, a new report from South Korea says otherwise. According to the source, the Exynos 2500 will only be used in the Korean version of the Flip 7. In all other markets, including the US, Europe, and India, the phone will ship with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite. As for the Galaxy Z Fold7, it's still expected to use the Snapdragon chip globally with no Exynos variant planned. The Exynos 2500 was originally meant for the Galaxy S25 series, but Samsung reportedly skipped it due to yield issues. Now, it seems the company is testing it in limited markets with the Flip 7. This move could result in noticeable performance and efficiency differences depending on which version users buy. If true, it also raises concerns about software consistency and long-term support. We'll get official confirmation soon, with Samsung expected to unveil the Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold 7 in early July.